after party. Ladies and gentlemen, I also want to congratulate the team that has moved a beautiful journey with us from the start of the season and the point we had this event, but also people that have spent sleepless nights preparing and planning for this event. The organizing committee. Bano organizing committee ekozo omulimu. Siwe wao. Kasabe chairman wa Komulungi wali otandikira ne team yo yonna akakayimba kamwe. Ay. Organizing committee. Hey. Chairman. Abantu bange betubadde nabo ng'omukolo gutandika simanyi oba bakyaliwo.